belongs to cruciferous vegetable family. Broccoli, cauliflower and cabbage have the same parentage. The wild cabbage Brassica oleracea is described as their ancestor. If we look back into history to locate its homeland, we reach first the Mediterranean region and then Asia. It is believed that the Romans were the first to grow cauliflower as a food crop. Presently, it is grown all over the world. China is the number one country in cauliflower production. It produces almost 37% of cauliflower and broccoli in the world. Cauliflower is a cool weather vegetable. It is grown in the Rabi or winter season, extending from October-November to April-May. Mostly its color is white, however, it is found in pink and purple colors as well. It has multiple uses. Besides a delicious dish, its soup and pickle are also popular for their taste. Cauliflower has numerous benefits. This is why it is also called superfood. It is high in vitamins C and K. It is a big source of antioxidants which protect cells against inflammation. It protects skin. It provides fiber and slows down the aging process. It is free from fat and cholesterol. It has proved very helpful in healthy weight loss. However, as it is said, excess of everything is bad. Excessive use of cauliflower causes digestive issues like bloating and gas.